Welcome to my channel Cars as Car. The EQS SUV is designed to merge modern luxury with aerodynamic efficiency. Its aesthetic is a futuristic take on traditional Mercedes-Benz design principles. The vehicle boasts a smooth, sculpted body with flowing lines that convey elegance and reduce drag, emphasizing its electric roots. A key highlight of the EQS SUV's design is its purpose design, which optimizes the vehicle for electric mobility while maintaining a commanding presence on the road. The absence of a conventional grille is replaced by the signature EQ black panel front with integrated LED light strips, creating a clean and seamless front profile. The sleek, coupe-like silhouette enhances its aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to extended range and improved performance. Exterior. The EQS SUV exudes sophistication with a muscular stance and refined details. The front fascia is dominated by a striking LED light bar that seamlessly connects the digital light headlamps. The digital light system offers millions of micro mirrors for precision lighting, enhancing both safety and aesthetics. The side profile features flush door handles and smooth, uninterrupted surfaces, creating a sleek appearance. Large alloy wheels, ranging from 20 to 22 inches, are aerodynamically optimized and add a sporty edge. The roofline gently slopes into a sporty rear, where an LED light strip spans the entire width, providing a cohesive design language that aligns with other EQ models. Interior. Step inside the EQS SUV, and you're greeted with a futuristic and opulent cabin designed to offer maximum comfort and cutting-edge technology. The interior showcases Mercedes-Benz hallmark craftsmanship, with high-quality materials like sustainably sourced leather, wood veneers, and metallic accents. The standout feature is the MBUX Hyperscreen, an expansive 56-inch curved glass surface that spans the entire dashboard. It integrates 3 screens, a digital instrument cluster, a central infotainment display, and a dedicated passenger screen. This setup provides an immersive experience, allowing passengers to interact with the vehicle's various functions seamlessly. Ambient lighting, available in 64 customizable colors, enhances the sense of luxury, while the Burmester 3D surround sound system ensures an exceptional audio experience. The SUV's spacious interior offers seating for up to 7 passengers with ample headroom and legroom. The third-row seating is optional and adds versatility to the cabin configuration. Additionally, the performance. Underpinning the EQS SUV is Mercedes-Benz EVA2 electric platform, designed exclusively for electric vehicles. The SUV is available in multiple configurations, including EQS 450 Plus, a rear-wheel drive model powered by a single electric motor, producing 355 horsepower and 419 lb-ft of torque. EQS 454 Matic, a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant offering the same 355 horsepower but increased torque of 590 lb-ft. EQS 584 Matic, a top-tier dual-motor AWD configuration delivering 536 horsepower and 633 lb-ft of torque for exhilarating performance. The EQS SUV is equipped with a large battery pack, offering a range of up to 370 miles, depending on the model and driving conditions. With fast charging capability, it can recharge from 10% to 80% in just 31 minutes using a 200 kilowatts DC fast charger. The SUV's performance is complemented by features such as rear axle steering, which provides improved maneuverability in tight spaces and stability at higher speeds. The Airmatic air suspension ensures a smooth and adaptive ride, even on uneven terrain, making it an excellent choice for long journeys. Unique selling points. 1. Sustainability. The EQS SUV represents Mercedes-Benz's commitment to sustainability, using eco-friendly materials, renewable energy in production, and recyclable components. 2. Luxury meets technology. The MBUX Hyperscreen, ambient lighting, and advanced driver assistance systems set a new benchmark for in-car technology and luxury. 3. Unparalleled comfort. The spacious interior, customizable seating configurations, and advanced climate systems cater to the needs of modern families and luxury seekers. 4. Long range and fast charging. With an impressive range and rapid charging capabilities, the EQS SUV ensures convenience for both urban and long-distance driving. 5. Aerodynamic excellence. The EQS SUV boasts a remarkably low drag coefficient for its class, contributing to efficiency and quiet cabin acoustics. 6. All-terrain capability. Equipped with 4MATIC all-wheel drive, airmatic suspension, and off-road modes, the EQS SUV is versatile enough to handle various driving conditions. The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV is a groundbreaking addition to the luxury electric SUV market. It combines the brand's legacy of sophistication and innovation with the demands of a sustainable future. Whether it's the avant-garde design, tech-laden interior, robust performance, or its emphasis on environmental consciousness, the EQS SUV stands as a class leader in the world of electric vehicles. It is the ultimate choice for those seeking an eco-friendly yet luxurious driving experience without compromise.